Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and making sure permissions are allowed for storage. This lets you access saved voice files. Once done, stay on the Chats tab or enter a specific chat where you expect the message. Next, tap the search icon at the top. This begins an in-app look. Alternatively, on Android, open your file manager to WhatsApp/media/WhatsApp voice notes. Make sure you do this now so you can pick the fastest path forward. You now perform the detailed search. Tap the search field and try keywords or a phrase from the conversation. WhatsApp highlights related messages. Once you find the chat, open it, tap the contact's name, then choose Media, Links, and Docs and switch to Audio to view voice messages only. If in doubt, go back to your file manager on Android and open the WhatsApp voice notes folder. Files are organized by date, so you can play them directly. You finish by selecting the voice message. Long press it to save, forward, or star the clip so it's easy to find later. Once saved, you share to export via email or upload to cloud storage for safekeeping. Make sure to test playback after exporting. If you can't find the message, check your WhatsApp backup settings, verify storage permissions, and inspect the voice notes folder in File Manager. Most missing files are either not backed up or blocked by permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.